nangyari. Ang dami nila. May rally. Alam ko anong nirarally nila. Lo. Bakit? Celebrate pala sila ng Aboriginal.
I was just telling the other girls that this is like one of my favorite days.
Ang dami nila. Mga indigenous people.
You see them dancing and stuff?
Where? No. Ang dami.
They didn't have this last year.
No.
I didn't even know they
Kita ako. Celebrate sila ng saan ba yung mga tao? Aboriginal. Kaliwat daw na ay tas nakikita ko yung bahay namin. Abra daw. Kadabra. How good is the weather, right? So beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Other side view of this room. It has 3 bedrooms and there is the view at the back. The other is ang ganda. Ang ganda ng panahon. So pretty. Nakikita ko yung bahay namin dyan. Meron pa dyang mga aboriginal kanina kasi. Ang dami nila.